friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 3T device after initial unboxing using with the GT mode. Yes friends, just today I did do the unboxing video of the Realme GT Neo 3T, and after the unboxing video I did do the benchmark test but without using any kind of GT mode. So without using any GT mode, this is the score I got. Without using any GT mode, this is the score which I got, and you can see the temperatures, it did increase up to 36.3 degrees Celsius. Clearly you can see the temperature. And even right now I'm going to do the same kind of test but with using GT mode, and let's find out friends what will happen regarding the benchmark scores, how much high scores you can actually get up to in this device. And I did not install any kind of applications at this moment. This is a completely brand new mobile phone, Realme GT Neo 3T. Let's see using with the GT mode how much high scores we can get in this device. Right now I did restart the device as well. Let's see after restarting the device what will be the overall benchmark scores we can actually expect in this device. And is a GT mode which I'll try to turn on as well. The GT mode is on right now as you can clearly see. And let's open the benchmark test application and let's start the benchmark test. And in the beginning it's about 30 degrees Celsius, and we'll try to find out regarding the temperatures after some time what it can increase in this device. So I can be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, regarding the benchmark percentage 66%, and the temperatures did increase up to 36 degrees Celsius. As you can see 36 degrees in the Realme GT Neo 3T with the Snapdragon 870 processor, and using with the GT mode. I'm trying to use with the GT mode. Complete test is done, and this after the recent unboxing video as well. So let's see friends what will be the high benchmark scores and what will be the high temperatures in the Realme GT Neo 3T. That's what we'll try to observe in this video. So again I'll be back at the end of the benchmark test results. This is the benchmark scores which we got friends in the Realme GT Neo 3D device, 7,08,000 after the day one of unboxing, as you can clearly see here using the GT mode. And you can see the temperatures did increase up to 37 degrees Celsius. So while using the GT mode and performing the test in this device, these were the results I got, and without any kind of RAM expansion. So no RAM expansion is used while performing this kind of testing. And the battery dropped by 4%, and temperature increased to 37.3 degrees Celsius. You can clearly see here. These are the test results in the Realme GT Neo 3T. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.